I'm so sorry. Yeah, I didn't want to do this. That makes me like so effing scared. Ben, you want to get him? It's a lot of work. Oh my. No hands. Oh, here we go. Now you say that.
Slow down. You're not racing yet. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Don't let Frank catch you. Oh! Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie. Looking good. Come on in, rookie. Shiny paint don't win a race.
I just want you all to know my parents have chosen to go on this. It's almost like 9 o'clock at night, so we'll see how this goes.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the law. Be sure to watch your kingdom. Have a zip-a-dee-doo-dah ride.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, I didn't want to do this.
Oh my God.
My shoulders are so tight. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Just, you know, your death awaiting you right here. It's fine. I'm terrified, but it's fine. Oh my god. god, the Cry? Oh my gosh.
We got you.
Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Oh. What was that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! What? My whole left side. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, that was so scary! Stop me running! So
My whole left side. So you are stoked. I am stoked. Yup. Left side. Yup. My parents did this to me. Oh, they're playing rock, paper, scissors. That's funny.
Here we go.
On the left.
Absolutely petrified.
You look like you're 6 years old, scared to death. wait. Let me pose again. Ready?
The Goofy.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Look, do you like the one dry spots on my thighs where my backpack was? Right here.
I'm so sorry.